Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Smart View app not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down Scroll down and search Smart View. Click on Smart Things. Click on Storage. After click on Storage, if you want to fix this problem, click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, click on Clear Data and click on Delete. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart phone. Just click and hold side power. Sorry, open quick settings panel. Swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again, click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so check your internet connection. Click on internet browser. Internet connection is work properly. Internet connection is not work properly, so move from your area. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Scroll down to, and click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Smart View app not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.